Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, 54 grams of protein without any protein powder, super tasty, super creamy, super healthy matcha latte, protein smoothie, made with beans but tastes like the creamiest matcha latte, so good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, open a can of butter beans. Drain. Rinse. And throw them into a blender. Along with 6 soft dates. A quarter cup of almond butter. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. 2 teaspoons of matcha powder. And 2 cups of a plant-based milk. Next, blend it until super smooth. Now enjoy a super creamy and super healthy matcha protein smoothie. Thanks for watching.